Hey guys, welcome back to the Last Castle devlog series. Just a friendly reminder, this is not a step-by-step tutorial. This is a devlog series as well as I do show my scripts for intermediate coders. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below for any ideas on future devlogs. And it also helps grow my channel and community. Hope you guys enjoy. By the end of this video, we will be able to detect the enemies whenever they enter our circle. We will be able to attack whichever enemy is closest, and when their health is to 0, they will play their death animation, and then the game object will destroy itself after a certain duration. Let's get started. Right here I created a script called circle radius, and it does require a line renderer component. This is what will draw a visible circle around the player to show the distance in which the enemies are in range for our player to attack. This script will be placed on the enemy spawner game object. Here I'm making a projectile script which will go on our arrows we shoot. Currently this is where the damage is coming from. I know we have the damage on the player itself, to which later we will remove. However, the true damage is coming from this projectile. Next, I made a couple scripts. One is the XP UI, which will go onto the UI I've just made. The other is the player XP script, which will of course go into the player. The player XP will hold the amount of XP gained, and on the enemy details we will eventually add a variable to give certain amount of XP per enemy. Right now we will just default it to 1 just to get it working. And there you have it. We now have the player detecting the enemies when they enter the circle. We auto attack to whichever enemy is closest, and when their health reaches 0, they play their death animation and then destroy. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. It will help grow my channel and keep me doing what I love. Hope you all have a wonderful day, and see you next time.